Hey, so let's jump into the Jayco JRV-X VW22-2. So welcome to this episode of RV Talk. Here's some specifics on the JRV-X VW22-2. It is a limited edition for the 50 years of Jayco. It's an off-grid special. It is 6.84 metres in length, 2.6 metres in height, just a smidge over 2 metres wide. It'll sleep 2 with a GVW of 4,000 or 4 tonne, and it's priced from $160,990. So here's some highlights. It has 4-motion all-wheel drive. It has a special two-tone exterior for the 50th anniversary and unique Habitat interior colours as well. As an off-grid specialist, it has 300 amp hours of lithium, 200 watts of solar, instantaneous hot water, and a special higher bed design. So negatives we think is there's only 70 units. It does have a manual awning for the price, and it's a pretty pricey rig for a 2-berth. It has 105 litres of fresh water, 65 litres of grey water, a 200-watt solar roof panel as mentioned before. Those batteries come in 2 by 150 amp lithium batteries. There's a large 152-litre compressor fridge, and you also have a 4-metre awning, and you have fly screens optional at the side and included for the rear. VW 2.22, so this would be all-wheel drive or synchro in Volkswagen speak. Electronic step there. They've gone for the two-tone blue interior to match the exterior. So you actually get swiveling seats with a table between them. Huge storage for your van. There's your wardrobe, microwave, and fridge, decent sized freezer. Which way does the bathroom open? This way. So again, skylight and a lovely wide bathroom there, swiveling toilet seat, sink is hidden in the corner, it's always there. Hooks, fly screen down the rear, upper cabinetry. The bed has been made. That's actually quite high when you look at that. Lovely tunnel. They've got some nice finishes there. The blue is nice and different, better than the standard wood grain in Jayco. Twin burner, chopping board on the sink, a nice black sink, your standard Furion CD player, your J-hub, diesel heater, padded, or carpeted I should say, so you don't hit your head. So this in all its glory is 163 as shown. It is a 50 years Jayco Special edition, but you get your awning, speakers. Look how high that bed is. That bed's really high off the ground, honey. Have you seen? Storage pockets, LPG. Look how high that is off there. Like you'd have to. There doesn't seem to be a ladder to get into it. But see, all the Jaycos come standard with the rear fly screen.
No, they're extra.
Are they?
Just those two.
Oh, okay. There you go. Stand corrected, the extras. But you have Sirocco fans, reading lights, and this mattress comes in pieces, which means it can fold away to give you a walk through garage. Well, there you go. There's a quick spin around the Jayco Limited Edition 50 years JRV X-Line VW22-2. Boy, that's a long name to remember. Well, what do you think? How about you leave some comments down below? And while you're there, why don't you click like and subscribe? We'd love it and is free for you to do, and it really does help out our channel. Anyhow, till next time, we'll see you out on the road. See you later.